it.
Oh, yeah. Virginia is for Grubbers. Woo! We're back again for a special St. Patty's edition. And there's two things I wanted to do for a St. Patty's Old Fashioned Friday. One, I wanted to come to a very, very Irish pub. And I wanted it to be not like this. I didn't want it to be like, oh, we opened 2 years ago, we're an Irish pub. Today we're at the Old Brogue, which is located in Great Falls, Virginia. Old Brogue has been around for 40 years. And the second thing I had to bring on my man, Kev Kehoe.
Cheers, brother.
None other from the Ashburn Pub. Kev's a bartender at the Ashburn Pub. He's won Best Bartender in past years. And I've said it before on other videos. When you walk into the Ashburn Pub, if Kev Kehoe is working, if you're having a bad day, if you're having a mediocre day, if you're having a good day, you're going to leave there having a better day. Thanks to this man right here.
We try.
My
Cheers.
man.
Thanks for having me.
No worries. Kev, you know how this works. Old Fashioned Friday, 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the Irish pub. I'm going to do a little backwards today. Let's do the ambiance of the restaurant. As far as the Irish pub is concerned, I feel like this is as Irish of a pub. Like the overall feel inside.
Yeah, I mean, it's close, it's tight-knit. It's like an old school back home where you can come in through a coffee shop. Some places really all like that have it, and then you get into the bar, or you can do vice versa. So
exactly, and Katie's coffee shop is located right beside it. They're both owned by the same people, so you can grab a coffee, grab a drink, or maybe if you drank too much, you can step over here, grab a coffee, re-energize.
You don't
come
need
back,
that.
start drinking some more, But yeah, I want to go full one for overall ambiance, and then inside, if you're looking for like a Irish pub, I feel like this is it.
it's it's awesome.
Oh,
so
awesome,
it is.
awesome. So I'm giving full one. What are you giving on? Full
one for me as well. Yeah,
My God.
Top.
All right, so 0 through 3 on appearance. They got the single ice cube, got an orange, got a nice cherry in there. They don't have the clear ice, which again, I've only seen like 5 or 6 places all in Virginia have clear ice, but it's still a massive big cube. I do like the glass, good size. It also looks like if somebody was kind of talking to you slick, this is a nice glass.
It is.
You could take care of that problem with, you know what I mean?
One shot.
That's it. Yeah, off appearance, I'm gonna go 2.6 off appearance. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I'm easy. We don't do a lot of garments or, putting stuff into our drinks back at home, so I'll do a 2.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. First sip. Here we go. That's very clean, and considering that it's only 12 in the afternoon, it's a little too clean because I feel like I could drink like 5 of these right now.
I'd be totally fine.
First sip. I'm gonna go. I really like that. I'm gonna go 2.7. What are you thinking?
I'm going to go 2.8. Andrew did a
2.8.
good job.
Yeah.
And he used the Basil Hayden, I think.
Okay.
I believe it was, yeah.
Yeah. This is super, 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 super smooth. And then we'll get into overall, which is the last score. But while we do that, obviously, again, this is St. Patty's Day, Old Fashioned Friday edition. I had a conversation with you the other day about this. In America, St. Patty's Day is like one of the best days of the year where Americans can be absolutely irresponsible midweek.
Everyone's Irish.
Yeah, and not care about it. So like back home, would you say they party just as hard as us, harder than us, or less than us?
I mean, back home it was an old school tradition where, if you were in a big city, you would have the parades. Local towns, you'd have the fire brigade or, the local cops come out and do something nice. I think nowadays it's more of a get-together, socialize, have a few pints with the boys.
Yeah.
Whereas over here, pre-pandemic, it was like, let's go hard, like the Savannahs and the Bostons where you dye the river green, and we don't do that at home. Not at all.
So, yeah, I could see that. America took a tradition, somebody else's, and then just exaggerated the hell out of it.
Yeah, I mean, but you have a lot of descendants over here, and a lot of people want to understand and know their culture from the past and the history of their families. So I respect that.
So overall, I'm gonna go 2.85 because I wanted to go 2.9. I was like 2.8, 2.9, but 2.9 is like really, really high. So I'm going to 2.85, which is still phenomenal. What are you thinking?
I gotta be biased with the week that's in. I'm gonna go 2.9 and go a 0.05 above you.
My guy, my guy. Again, Old Brogue, located right here in Great Falls, Virginia. It's been around 40 years. The owner, Mike Kearney, is from...
Family's from Derry,
which
in the
is...
north of Ireland. Up the north.
He said it like I knew it. Oh yeah, Derry.
Derry,
Yeah,
up there.
It's from Derry, Ireland. Virginia is for Grubbers. Kev Kehoe representing the Ashburn Pub today. Ireland's own. Cheers, brother.
Sláinte. Cheers and good luck.
My God.